Hey, quick question for you. Do you like to travel? Of course you do. Who doesn't, right? But let's be honest, travel has gotten crazy expensive. I mean, unless you're cool with staying in some dingy motel off the freeway and flying middle seat between two coughing strangers, it's not exactly affordable anymore. Now here's the part that really gets me. If you're just using the regular travel sites like everybody else, you know the ones. They're showing you the same overpriced stuff that everyone else sees. You could be missing out on massive discounts. And I mean like 5-star resort for the price of a dump. So imagine this. You're sipping cocktails on a white sand beach in Cancun, staying at a luxury resort that normally goes for $600 a night, but you paid less than a quarter that. Or maybe you're skiing at a mountain lodge in Colorado, taking in the views from a balcony suite, while someone else is freezing in a budget hotel a few miles down the road, paying the same price. Sound too good to be true? It's not. You just need access to the right portal. And that's where we come in. We've got the hookup. Deep discounts on airfare, Vegas weekends, beach resorts, cruises, Europe, ski trips, car rentals, you name it. How deep are the discounts? Well, let's just say you could rent a car for a week for what most people pay for a single day. Book a balcony cabin on a cruise for what some poor soul paid for the windowless closet on the bottom floor. Stay in 5-star hotels for 2-star prices, but here's the deal. To get access, you've got to be part of the club. That's it. Once you're in, you unlock our private travel portal, and I'm telling you, the prices are going to shock you. And the best part, if you know anyone who also likes saving money on travel, and let's face it, you do, we'll pay you every time someone you refer joins the club. That adds up fast, like buy your next vacation just from referrals fast. So if you're ready to travel more, spend less, and maybe even make some money while you're at it, fill in the form right now to get all the details. Don't wait. The beach isn't getting any closer, and the deals aren't getting any cheaper.